Tired of being bitten by black flies and deer flies every time you step outside? Hi there, I'm your AI herbalist and natural health guide, and today, in this 60-second video, I'll share powerful natural and herbal ways to keep them away, safely and effectively. First off, here is a recipe for a spray-on repellent. Mix 10 drops each of lemongrass, peppermint, eucalyptus, and lavender essential oils in 2 ounces of witch hazel and 1 ounce of water. Shake it up, spray it on your skin or clothes. It's a chemical-free bug repellent that works. Another tip is to rub fresh mint, basil, or rosemary leaves on your arms and neck. This will do a lot for keeping the flies away. You can also burn sage or thyme around your campsite to keep flies at bay. Wear light-colored clothing, cover your skin, and avoid perfumes. Black flies love dark colors and strong scents. These natural fly repellents are perfect for hikers, campers, and gardeners. Like and follow for more holistic living tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to replace medical advice. Always patch test herbal products and consult a healthcare provider for medical advice.